February 2023, Open TV News in Brief, coming to you live from our studio at La Paz in Accra. My name is Francis Kusi.
Oje for bosomeno ne da etoso miensa e won fie pimienu eni aduonu miensa. Open TV News in Brief ni midin ene ama sewa ampafo.
Coming up, government seeks to woo individual bond holders, offers new terms, extends deadline again to February 7.
So man for ebekaya nansan nebeto odwa se wonu mu a watoto bond ahodro ewo banks ahodro no aban e de hyehyeye aba se won fa wonsa enkohye enhyehyeye bi ase na eno na sisi aye kasa die enya de se oman for bebre na ade wo ho ahyemu enti aban se sa emre a wode ma wo no wasan atwe akwachi.
And on the parliamentary leadership reshuffle on the side of the NDC, we didn't consult parliamentary caucus for a reason. This is coming from the party chairman, Johnson Asiedu Nketia.
NDC amanyokuo no wono mo chairman yewura Asiedu Nketia de nsembia ba betudwa wo kire se ensisan ya wo mo aye ewo mrahye bedwafi honom ewo NDC amanyokuo no mu no wonom ammo wo mo amane na ewo gina sopo bi entia.
Be vigilant. Education Ministry warns parents as they react to the expose school placement for sale.
Asuya ya wonum hwe enwumasua so e de aba betudwa se awofo ema wonum ani na ho enam ehwehwemu bi a aba betudwa nansen efa enkwada a ye de wo mko school a yetua eho sika eho.
This and many other stories coming up in the next 10 minutes. We'll be back.
We ne ahodro bebre e na eka ho a ye de eba besom wo e wo sima edu ya edi ye nimu ye beba sisia.
Government has extended the domestic debt exchange program for a final time to make way for stakeholders to participate in the program based on the last leg amendments. The Ministry of Finance in a statement mentioned these amendments have necessitated a final extension of the deadline from January 31, 2022 to February 7, 2023.
Se woma for ebekaya nansanya na abande hyehyeye eba ye se wonu mu a womu sika akorewura sika krabia ahodro mu akototo bond no wonu wansan kɔ baabi kura womu kɔtɔ bond no womu fo womu nsa enko hyehye nkrata bi ase na eno womu kyerɛ mu se bepem ne enipa ni bi aya asobrachi a wonkoye enu ti no ebra wode ma womu no womu san de bi ka ho ye opepon bosumi a womu ne da etoso aduasa baako edi ebesi ogefo bosumi a yewura mu ne da etoso enson ena womu de to ho ama wonu se womu betimi akosika krabia ahodro no na womu de womu nsa akohyehye enkrata no ase.
The national chairman for the National Democratic Congress, the NDC, Mr. Johnson Asiedu Nketia, says the party's leadership did not consult the minority caucus in parliament over the decision to change its leadership for good reasons. Speaking to party faithfuls at a press conference in the United Kingdom, Mr. Nketia said it was not practical to inform the caucus beforehand, given that the decision would lead to changes in their leadership.
Se womafo ebekaya beye se na watwimu enie no na ukomrahye bedwafia ene yesesan bebre na aba ewo NDC amanyokuo no wono afa ewo mrahye bedwafi ho na eno na NDC amanyokuo no wo chairman foforo yeyi no kra yewura Johnson Asiedu Nketia ekopie mu ewo akwasikoko krom United Kingdom na wono ebo dwadata ya wo furu simpie ekokasaye ene wo kire se ensesan ya wo mo aye ewo mrahye bedwafi ho no no womu sheda pa ene womu amekeka anche mehye bedwafo no na senko mu bebo wonu amane a ekanya ade se ade ade a wo mo pese wo mo ye pote no wo mo ebetumi aye na se wo mo anka no eno ewo nyinaso bi nti a wo mo eye sa no.
And in other stories, the spokesperson for the Ministry of Education, Mr. Kwesi Kwate, has sounded a word of caution to parents, guardians, and the general public to be vigilant and avoid paying monies to secure school placement for the awards. This comes on the back of the investigative piece, School Placement for Sale, which was uncovered widespread under dealings in the computerized school selection and placement system.
Say demo eko ensem fufuro emu ana ye demo ebo awremu ewo enwumesua asuye na okasafafo ya okasa edema enwumesua asuye no yewura Akwesi Kwaten ede nsem bia ba beto awofo animu awo kire se wo ye wofo na wo ho no obi frew se wo ba no ansa na yede ne beko school bi ewo se wutue sika bi ema wo no mu a sinipa kro no hu enya ade se enwumesua asuye no ngigi sika bi a ewo awofo ho ni nyina ebebeto odwa wa abra nhwehwemu bi ebaye se wonu mo yede wo mo etena computer achie na wonu mo de nkwala no tutu suku ahoduo mu onum wo mo enam kwati kwan bi so efrefra awofo gigi won chen sika ansa na yede wo ma no akwakoto baabi ene wo kire se awofo wonu mo ani na ho sa aboa wo na wo bia nkwankotue sika amfa ma wo bia.
Reverend Christian Kwabena Andrews, popularly known as Osofo Chirabosom, has hinted that he will impose a ban on condoms if he becomes the president of Ghana. According to the pastor-turned-politician, the use of condoms promotes promiscuity and immorality, which brings about the wrath of God.
Osofo Chirabosom eye osofo panyini ya nansen de wadan ne ho amanyoni ode ne ho abawura amanyo ensemu na wono ene ode nsem bi ababetu dwa wo kire se wo man Ghana ma no kwan na ye pagya ne de ne sisimpia paso na obeye o man panyini ewo manyi mu a ade baako a wono eye nachi wade a won pene so ema yen so so ewo man Ghana mu ye kra eye condom na eye ade se obeye man panyini a condom no wo betwem tinton tan sentini se condom ya ye de bo manyi mu eno kra boa ema adwamammo ekoso paa so oba emaburu no entemu a wo mutimi bo adwaman ya ma adwaman su se fio eti anya de se wono so oba beye man panyini oba pene so ama condom ye de aba o man Ghana mu eye sa krampa emaburu ne bo adwaman sa na etimi kra boa ema onyankopon na bufu show part mi bo o man Ghana so eti so no betena ho na nyankopon bufu show aba o man Ghana so de ya de se condom no wo betwem wo man yi mu kra.
On the foreign front now, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said he would consider serving as a mediator between Russia and Ukraine if asked. Reacting to calls for him to assist in brokering peace between the two warring countries, Mr. Netanyahu stated it will depend on both sides making a request at the right time and at the right circumstance.
Yedemo echa esuo bosompo na yakwa kopiemu ewo Israel man no emu a na Israel Prime Minister eye owura Benjamin Netanyahu wode nsem bia ba beto dwa wo kire se ebeye na hohoahoa pa se wono ye be frɛ no se Ukraine and Russia entokoya aba wo muntami enko ma meye ntamgyinafo enyina wo ntam na ko won hwɛ mo wo mienu entimi enum asumnwe abua no kabeye ne de pam na so se wo mo mienu betimi atena se na wo mo asiesie wo ntam ama asumdwe aba na ebegyina aman mienu ni nyina asom se wo mo nyina abegye atum se adwobrɛw asumdwe emra na omo ebegye atum no eno ebeboa ama asumdwe etumi aba ewo aman mienu ni entem wode nsem ebetu dwa wa abra wo no ye bo ni din eni enipa bi eka ho se ko wo mo enkohwɛ na ka Ukraine eni Russia ntokwa ya wo no ekono wo mo nchimpanyimfo mienu intena se na ko wo mo eni wo mo enkasa na asumdwe emra wo mo entem.
And that's all for Open TV News in Brief. My name is Francis Kusi. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Ahwefo na aha ene brene mra ema kwan ama ye de kase no nyina asie mi a wote me nkan eye ama sewa ampafo me mahwefo nyina mo ene hwa enyado.